How are you all? I am your Sheetal teacher. So children, I hope you are doing the writing practice at home. Okay, so today we are going to learn letter X. Okay, so today we are going to learn a new letter, that is letter X. And the sound of letter X, the writing of letter X, and the words start with letter X. So let's start, children. So X is very simple, children. So just you have to do slanting line and slanting line. It becomes letter X. And children, the sound of letter X is x, 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 x. This is the sound of letter X. So you have to do practice of this writing and sound also. You have to learn the sound also. Okay. So this is letter X. And let us X start from here, slanting line, slanting line. So this is capital letter X, this is small letter X, and that is also same you have to do, just you have to write in a blue line. Okay. So this is uppercase X, this is lowercase x. Okay children. And the words start with letter X are Xmas tree. Yes, the tree which we use in Christmas celebration, that is called Xmas tree, X-ray, xylophone, it's a toy. Yes children. So all these words start with letter X. So once again we'll do practice. X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Okay. So first we'll do underline. Today we are going to learn X, so I am going to underline letter X. 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 Okay? Because we are learning letter X. And now we are going to do practice, writing practice. So you have to start with red line to blue line. Slanting line, you have to do one slanting line. And again from here, slanting line. Cross you have to do. So it becomes letter X. It's very simple. Slanting line, letter X, slanting line, X. And small letter children, from blue line to blue line, X. Blue line में लिखना है आपको. From if you write in a capital letter, you have to start with red line. If you are writing small letter, you have to start with blue line. Okay. X. Like this you have to write. Okay children. So now children, we are going to write together. We'll do writing practice of together. X. X for X-ray, X for xylophone, slanting line, X. This is capital X. This is capital X. And now this is small letter X. Okay. One more time. Slanting line from red line to blue line. Again cross red line to blue line. X. Okay. And small letter blue line to blue line. Okay. So children, this was the letter X. And please do practice, writing practice of this. And if you are not able to do, just do dot and then you do writing practice. So this was letter X. The sound of letter X is x, x, x. X for Xmas tree, X-ray, xylophone. Okay. So bye children, and you have to do writing practice and share the photos and videos with me. Okay. Bye. Take care.